Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is me creating this eye look with the Profusion Sapphires palette. This is actually one of my favorite palettes from Profusion. Actually, surprisingly, I know it's just one of those things, but I was inspired by Bath & Body Works Dream Bright packaging, and it's a fine fragrance mist. I really love this scent very much. I do have the body cream, which I do love. And I want to say this, I love this scent, and if you can get it at your Bath & Body Works store for their semi-annual sale, you should, because they did bring back 10, I believe, from the bringbacks that they did retired. And I really, really do like this one. It has sapphire berries, night blooming orchid, and crystallized vanilla, which I can tell there's a bit of vanilla in it, but does have the berries in it, and of course I can smell the flowery scent orchid. I really do like vanilla scents. Vanilla is like one of my favorite scents I like in a mist or a body spray, you can say. But sometimes vanilla can be very strong, and you just don't like strong vanillas. Like my favorite go-to one I like, if you don't want a very strong vanilla scent, I suggest get Vanilla Romance. That's soft but loud. Oh, I love that scent. But I really do like this one. This is very, very feels high end, and I love it. Sits well on the skin. I put it on my body. I put it on my skin anyway. But you know what? I really love this. Like I said, I do have the body cream, and I really love the body cream from Bath & Body Works. It has hyaluronic acid. Oh, gotta love that extra hydration. Keep you hydrated more than anything. But make sure you hit the like button. So I know you like this content. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified of any new videos that I upload. And of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. And let's get down to it.